How to use Zoho CRM. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can easily use Zoho CRM for your personal use. So when you guys come on to zohocrm.com, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. You guys can simply log into Zoho CRM or sign up either using your LinkedIn account or your Google account. So I'm going to simply sign in using my Google account right now, and I have signed up now. Now from over here, it's going to ask me for my first name, last name. After that, simply check this box, click on create an account, and then your account is going to be created. Now as soon as your account is ready, well, then Zoho is going to take you guys over to their homepage. So when you guys come onto the Zoho homepage, you guys are gonna see this particular dashboard that you guys are seeing right now in front of you. So they're gonna ask you your company name. You guys can put in your company name, also your phone number as well. Click on get started. That's gonna take you guys over to another page. So now from over here, you guys can either choose to take a tour that is gonna explain everything about Zoho, or you guys can just simply immigrate your data from other CRM softwares if you want to. For now, I'm gonna skip this. Now it's gonna take me over to their main homepage. So over here, when you have been using Zoho for quite some time, you guys will see your whole summary over here, such as your open tasks, your meetings, your deals, your leads, and everything else, even your pipeline deals by stage as well. And then up top, you guys have the option to view your accounts, your deals, your tasks, your calls, reports, analytics as well, and even products as well. You guys can even view your sales orders, and you guys can also import your contacts as well if you guys want to. So guys, that is how easy it is to use Zoho CRM. Only takes a few minutes, but this particular software can actually help you guys scale up your business like crazy, because this literally tells you everything that you guys need to know. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.